Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is speech on Labor Day. Number 1 line. Good morning everyone. My name is Ali. Number 2. Today I am here to speak about Labor Day. Number 3. Labor Day is celebrated on 1st May every year. Number 4. It is a day to honor workers and their hard work. Number 5. Workers help build our homes, roads, schools, and offices. Number 6. They work day and night for a better society. Number 7. We should respect every worker and their efforts. Number 8. Labor Day reminds us of workers' rights and equality. Number 9. We must thank all workers for their services. Number 10. Happy Labor Day to all hard work. Number 10. Happy Labor Day to all hardworking people. Thank you, dear friends. If you like this video, so please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.